Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Altcoin Mentors. My name is Peter, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Today, I'm doing a special midday report on Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. The reason for that is that this morning, our short-term wave signal turned positive for all three of the currencies, and we entered long positions for the first time in a while on the currencies. And we had a couple of comments and questions about the trade itself, how to trail it, like where are the barriers, where would you take profits, things like that. So we thank you for all the comments and questions. So today, I'm going to be doing a live session, which we're currently now. So right now, Bitcoin is at about 8,300, and we entered this trade at 7,600. And on TradingView, I posted the idea a while ago, and I gave a breakdown, but I'll do it in this video as well. So let's start with our entry. So we had a short-term trend change from neutral to buy. We entered the signal at upon color change confirmation above a higher level. The reason why this was a great signal was that it was above the 50 EMA for the hourly. So once it confirmed to the top, after it created a higher low on this little wave, we entered long after the trend change. We entered it, and then it kept on going higher and higher. And because the medium term and the long term trend for Bitcoin are both negative, we have to be a little bit careful. So we're putting a tight trailer, because the understanding is basically gratitude. By going against the medium term and long term trends, we should be pretty happy and grateful for any type of profit that we take going against the headwinds. So because of that, I put a tight trailer on. It kept on going higher. It went into what I call like the warning zone. And the reason why it's the warning zone is because it's so close to the 200 EMA for the hourly, and also the daily, which is this dark green line, the daily 200 EMA. So at any point in this time, you have to be very careful, because there's going to be a lot of volatility. Because for technicians, the 200 daily is a very important number. That's one of the reasons why when it broke it earlier this week, you see it over here as it breaks this level here. It goes from what people thought 9,400 might be support. It started breaking down, went down to the next level, which is 7,600, and it continued to go down to very close to our target of 5,900. So this little zone here around the 200 daily is a very, very dangerous zone. So that's why I put a little box in orange to show you that at this time, there's a lot of volatility and anything can happen. Right above that is our profit zone. So anywhere in this level between 9,100 to 9,400, you can comfortably take profits, and I have a hard target at 9,400. So let's go over Ether. So Ether is the same type of setup. This morning we had our trend change. It hit our resistance level of 785. It bounced back down, but it didn't. It stayed close to the 50 EMA. It bounced back up. We have a failed color change. We have a new high confirmation. We entered the trade at 780. Currently we have our trailing stop at 795. Same thing here for Ether. Because the medium-term trend is negative, we want to be very, very careful. And it's also getting close to the 200 hourly EMA, which is once again is our warning zone. So because of that, we have a pretty tight stop here. I might move it after this video to probably up to, it looks like it'll be at 810, right? To lock in a little bit more profit. As it gets closer to the warning zone, I'm going to be tightening things up. And then once it breaks the warning zone, it goes into our profit zone, which is between 940 and 980. And I have a hard target at 980. So let's go over Litecoin. So Litecoin was actually a very good trade for us. We actually got kicked out with when it hit our target. So we had a buy signal come in at about 142.50. We entered. It actually just broke through the 200 EMA rather quickly, no color change, and went right to our target of 155, where we had a hard target, and it kicked us out. Right now, Ether is currently at 153, and in about 45 minutes, it will be the next hour. And if it confirms to the top and creates a new high, then we will re-enter, put a stop around, give it some room, probably a stop around 145, and see if it can break this little resistance area that we have at about 155. Hopefully this helps. And if you have any questions, please put in the comment section. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.